Step 1. Create a shadow object. Copy and paste a new prefab, selecting Original Prefab, which will be used as our Afterimage object. You may want to rename the newly created prefab. Optionally, you may give the new prefab a transparent material. In this case, we used a red transparent material. Remove the animator component from the new prefab. Step 2. Create the script. For this step, feel free to pause the video to copy the script in its entirety. Step 3. Apply the script. Select the root body part object, in this case it's the Mixamo-Rig hips object, located under the zombie object drop-down list. Drag the created Afterimages script onto the component list of the root body part object. Drag the Afterimage prefab into the image prefab row of the script. Adjust the number of afterimages as needed. In this example, there will be 4 afterimages. Input the amount of delay for each afterimage. The delay amount is measured in seconds. Note that some models with pre-made rigging will use a root object that connects all body parts, while the root object itself is not a body part. Mixamo rigging uses the hips body part as the root. Click on Use Root Transform so that the Mixamo hips are followed. The model now has functional afterimages which will work for all animations and all 3D models. This concludes the bonus section for adding afterimages. Thank you for watching.